Hello friends, in this video I will turn this one-use cigarette into a flashlight. Let's begin. So I think every year they throw away more than 1 billion of one-use cigarettes like this. And my vision is to reuse these rechargeable batteries and give them a new life. If you follow my channel, then you knew that my motto is recycle and be creative. So let's do it. For this project I will use recycled parts beside this module and this USB-C connector, but these both are less than $1. Now let's see what we'll do. So we don't need these parts. We will use this rechargeable battery. It has 550 milliamps, and I will use this LED from LED strip from a TV with broken display. I have a lot of TVs with broken display, and I bet that if you can find one in your city, if you really want. So these LED are high quality LEDs, and they are put on back plate of aluminium, so this will not overheat. So a LED like this needs approximately 3 volts from 50 milliamps to 100 milliamps, and instead of switch I will use a touch control like this. I hope that this will work through this piece of plastic. Now let's make a short simulation. First of all, let's check the battery. Battery is discharged, but I will charge it. So I will put the schematic in the end of the video. Now I will disconnect this heater, and instead of this heater I will use this LED, and I will put this 33 ohm resistor in series with the LED to protect the LED. Now let's test this. I will blow to this sensor. As you can see, it's working. Now let's replace this module with this touch control. So in this touch control module I will short the B jumper. Now let's test. If we give plus to the LED, it should light. As you see, it's still powerful, but the battery, it's almost fully discharged. Now let's connect this touch module. So this is very simple. We have ground, plus, and input output. Now let's see if this works. Now let's see if this works through plastic. Let's check here. It seems it's working. Now let's make the charging part. So I will use this diode and this resistor. This diode, all of these are in series from 5 volts to this battery. This diode will limit the voltage to the maximum charging voltage of the battery, and this resistor will limit the current when this battery is discharged. So let's make the charging. This USB-C has a plus and minus output, and this resistor is 2.2 ohms. So resistor will go to the ground and the diode will go to the plus. Now let's use my power supply to check the current. I have 250 milliamps power consumption. Now let's check the voltage on the battery. So as you can see, the battery is charging. I think it will take approximately 2 hours to fully charge, and when will be fully charged, will take zero current. I will show you. I can see the current, it's decreasing. Now let's see how we can put everything inside. So I will put the LED like this, and the battery will be under the here. It's perfect, almost perfect. And this aluminium will also cool down the battery. Now we have to find a good position for all this. So I've put the battery to the charge, and now let's check if it's overheating. When the battery is fully discharged, then this simple charger will heating as most. As you can see, there is 30 degrees on every. So that's safe. We can use this simple charger, because I didn't have enough space to put a smart charger inside. But 30 degrees it's perfectly safe. And when this battery will charge, the temperature will fall. We'll see. Now after 1 hour, here we have input voltage and battery voltage. It's almost half charged. Now let's measure again the temperature. As you can see, there is 20 degrees. So that's better. And will continue to decrease. Now this project is almost over. I let this battery to the charge. Now let's check it. So it seems battery now it's fully charged. On this diode we have 0.7 volts drop of voltage. Input voltage 5 volts, and here let's move to the voltage. It's a small voltage, it means it's a small current. Now let's put everything together. So I've made this hole for this USB-C connector. Now let's solder these wires to the battery. Now let's test the touch button. So this LED is not so powerful, but if you decide to make this project, you can put 2 or 3 or 4 LEDs in parallel. I used only one LED because with this LED, this battery can last more than 10 hours. Now let's see how this works. I think I will add 2 or 3 LEDs. Now in this room light is powerful, but I bet that in the dark this is more powerful. And I will make some tests in the night, and I will add 2 or 3 LEDs to my next version of this. So I hope that I've inspired you to make your own version, and if you do, please write us in a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.